Hey guys, Geek into everyone. On this video, I'm gonna launch my 1 month Python course, and it's not gonna be an ordinary Python course. It's gonna be Python course with ChatGPT assistance. So I'm really excited that it's gonna be interesting and really useful course where you and me can explore studying with ChatGPT. How we can learn Python using ChatGPT bot. So it's really interesting. So what you have to do before we start this course? Firstly, I wanna that you download and install Python interpreter. And if you have macOS or Linux, Python interpreter is pre-installed on this operational system. But if you have a Windows, you have to install Python interpreter. You can check it out by yourself using Google how to do that. So it's not complicated. And second, what I ask you to do is download it and install IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So it's a special environment, special program which can help you for coding. You can use also code editor. I use Visual Studio Code, and you can use VS Code as well. Let's start. And firstly, what I want to do is greet ChatGPT. Hey there. Okay. How I can assist you? So, I want to learn Python for 1 month. I want you assist me to learn Python. May you write 1 month plan for learning. Okay. So I wrote a request. And waiting a response from ChatGPT. Okay. So ChatGPT is writing me information about week by week and day by day. So it's all information, all this plan is categorized, is divided into 4 weeks, and each week's divided into 7 days. So and each day has a information what I have to do. That's really interesting. So we are waiting how the ChatGPT finish writing the plan. Okay, actually 1 month for learning Python is tough, but it's just gonna be a experiment. I'm really interested in how I can handle that, how I can use ChatGPT for learning, and for you, I think you are excited as well and interested, how you can handle it. Okay, so I'm not gonna read it now, so I just copy that and then I just paste it into my text editor. So, and I'm save it. Okay, file, save. And further, I'm gonna use this plan to learn Python using ChatGPT assistance. So I'm so excited, and see you on the first lesson. Ciao.